Now, exercise 3.4, question 5 to 9. Question is find the general solution. Question 4, cos 4x equal cos 2x. Now, the condition which you know it very well, if cos x equal cos y, then x equal 2n pi plus minus y. So, here this term is x and this term is y. So, put it in the given condition, x equal 2n pi plus minus y. So, instead of x you will take 4x and instead of y you will take 2x. Put it in this condition. So, you will get this solution, 4x equal 2n pi plus minus 2x. Now, according to the question, you have to find the general solution. Means you have to find out the value of x in terms of n. So, first we will take positive and in second we will take negative because plus minus is written here. So, after writing the plus, shift the x term on the one side, solve it, you will get the x value as n pi where n belongs to z. Here, after taking minus sign, now shift it, you will get x equal n pi upon 3 where n belongs to integer. Question 6. In question 6, this is the question. Now you have to find out the value of x of this question. Now in this question we will use these identities or these concepts in the question. First thing, what you will do, you will rearrange, you will combine these two terms together. Cos A plus cos B. Apply the formula. From this formula is identity is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So apply it in these two. So cos A plus cos B. So it will become 2 cos 3x plus x, 3x plus x upon 2 multiply cos A minus B upon 2. Okay, use this identity and minus cos 2x is already there. Now it will become 2 cos 4x upon 2 means 2x multiply 3x minus x, 2x upon 2 x minus cos 2x equals 0. Now in next step you will take cos 2x common. So take cos 2x common. So the left part is 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. So what does it mean? Either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. This concept you did it in your 9th class and as well as 10th class. So cos 2x equals 0 or 2 cos x minus 1 equals 0. Now use the concept cos, if cos A equals 0, this one, cos x equals 0, then x equal 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So same thing over here, cos 2x equals 0. So it means that x, here x is 2x. So 2x equal 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Or for this, it will become 2 cos x equal 1. So cos x equal 1 by 2. Now, since according to the question you have to find out the value of x. So from here x will be 2n plus 1 pi by 4 where n belongs to integer. So this is one of the solution, general solution. Now from the other part, what you will do, cos x half, in terms of cos x half कौन सी डिग्री पे होता है, pi by 3. So this has been converted in the form of cos A equal cos x equal cos y. Now apply this formula. From here x equal, this is y, this is y. So x equal 2n pi plus minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. So this is the second general solution. In question 7, sin 2x plus cos x equals 0. This is given, and again you have to find out the value of x. So sin 2x, one identity, sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and this is cos x equals to 0. Now, in next step, what will you do? What will you do? Is there anything common here? Cos x is common. So, we will take here cos x common. Cos x common. So, the left terms are 2 sin x plus 1 equals 0. Okay. So, again same concept, either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So, we will write, this implies either cos x equals to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 equals to 0. Now, look at the identity or the concept which you have to use. If cos x equals 0, then x equal to n plus 1 pi by 2. So, same thing we will apply here. So, x equal 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to integer. So, this is one of the general solution. Now, come to the second part. Now, shift the terms on the other side. So, sin x equal minus half. Now, you have to see in which quadrant it should lie. Minus half. So, this is sin pi plus pi by 6. By using the concept here, since it is negative, add sugar to coffee. So, it will come minus half either in this or in this. So, accordingly we will do it. Okay. So, solve it for the sin x equals sin 7 pi by 6. Now, the concept of this, if sin x equals sin y, then x equal this. This means x equal n pi plus minus 1 n according to the concept y. So, here y is 7 pi by 6, where n belongs to z. So, this is another general solution. Question 8. In question 8, it is given sin square 2x equal 1 minus tan 2x. So, what we will try to do, we will convert sec square 2x. Sec square 2x, we will convert it in the form of tan 2x. So, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So, instead of sec square 2x, we can write 1 plus tan square 2x, and this is 1 minus tan 2x. Okay. Now, shift the terms on the one side. So, this 1 will be cancelled out. You will get tan square 2x plus tan 2x equals 0. So, can you take something common here? We can take tan 2x common. So, inside it will be tan 2x plus 1 equals 0. Again, same concept. This implies tan 2x equals 0 or the other part, tan 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now, the condition, if tan x equals 0, then x equal n pi. So, from here 2x equal n pi and x equal n pi upon 2, where n belongs to z. So, one of the general solution of question 8. Now, here you will take tan 2x equal minus 1. Now, minus 1, now we have to see in which quadrant it should lie in terms of tan. So, it will lie add sugar to coffee. So it 1 pi by 4, 180 pi minus theta. So it will be tan pi minus pi by 4. Solve it further. Tan 2x equal tan 3 pi by 4. Now apply this concept. Tan x equal tan y, then x equal n pi plus y. So this is x and this is y. So this implies 2x equal n pi plus 3 pi by 4. Now find the value of x. X equal n pi upon 2 plus 3 pi upon 8, where n belongs to z. So this is the another solution of question 8. Question 9. Sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x equals to 0. Now, look in this question. We have to arrange it. We will take these two terms together. Sin A plus sin B. So, sin A plus sin B is 2 sin A plus B by 2. So, it is x plus 5x upon 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So, x minus 5x upon 2 and this plus sin x as it is, sin 3x as it is. So, this 2 sin 6x upon 2 means 3x and cos minus 2x minus 4x upon 2 minus 2x sin 3x. Now, you know very well that cos minus theta is cos theta. So that concept we will use it here. Sin 3x into cos minus theta is cos theta. So we can rewrite it as cos 2x plus sin 3x equals 0. Now take sin 3x common. Sin 3x common. So in the bracket 2 cos 2x plus 1 equals 0. This concept you will, this part you will do it. You will get it. So this implies either sin 3x equals 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 equals 0. So from here, if sin x equals 0, x equal n pi. So 3x equal n pi. So x equal n pi upon 3, where n belongs to z. So one of the general solution. And for the second, what will you get it? 2 cos 2x equal minus 1. So cos 2x equal minus half. Now, what should be the next step? Now you have to see in which quadrant it should lie. So cos 2x minus half. So cos pi minus pi by 3. So it will become cos 2x equal cos 2 pi by 3. Now cos x equal cos y, then x equal 2n pi plus minus y. So this implies 2x equal 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. This term is y. Okay. Now you have to find the value of x. So from here x equal upon 2 हो जाएगा, 2n pi upon 2, cancel it, plus minus pi by 3 because 2 will be cancelled out, where n belongs to integer. So this is the another general solution of question 9. So I hope you have understood the concept clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.